everybody, it's Ashley, and this is a product introduction video for Ink2Paper's July 2019 release. And in this video, I'm going to be introducing the amazing Go-To gift card holder, pencil version of it. This is an amazing die collection designed by Nancy Messiah, and I really love this particular die collection because it's something that I personally have wanted to have because I have a daughter in school and definitely in need of gift card holders and pencil shapes and things like that for teacher gifts and even for my daughter as well. Okay, so in this particular dies collection, there are a total of 6 dies. You get this one here, which is the actual pencil shape that folds in half and secures with this particular little lip here. You get this die here, which is slides into it to make it a gift card holder. You get these 2 prongs here so the gift card can hold in there, and then this section here houses the eraser and the metal details. And then on this particular die is the detail, and it's just scalloped and it has embossed lines on here to give you that dimension and detail of what a pencil, actual wood pencil looks like, similar to this one here with those little ridges to give you that inspiration of a 3-dimensional pencil. All right, and then you have the eraser, the metal little detail version. Again, it has a couple of embossed straight lines, and you have the actual triangle shape here that is for the lead part of the pencil. Okay, so this is really great. It's intended to be used for a gift card holder. All right, it retails for $50, but you will get every single penny worth from this because it's super easy to make. You can whip up these gift card holders super fast. And the good thing about it is it's not limited to just gift card holders. All right, so you can definitely make this into a shaped card. You can make banners from this because you can use the actual pencil shape from this version of it and remove some of the elements. And if you want to, you could use on a card front in some sort of way, right? To be if you're creative. All right, so let me just show you my gift card holder, the actual gift card holder of it, so you can see how it looks. All right, so here it is assembled. All right, it is a great size here. The cool thing about it is you can easily remove the gift card just by sliding it in and out of this component here, the sleeve. So I'm just going to get a little card here to show you and demonstrate how you can just simply add a card right here into these prongs and just slip it in there. You can add and stamp a little message on there if you would like as well. Okay, and then here is how the sleeve looks when it's all assembled. It's just a little pocket here, and it just slides right back in here. Super easy to make, and it's so cute. I really love this gift card holder. It turned out amazing. And it's something that's great, and it's great for back to school time for you to have little lunchbox notes for your kids in their lunch boxes. You can make little shaped cards, or you can have be ready for a little gift card, you know, for the upcoming holidays for teacher gifts. You have all sorts of different events coming up, including Christmas time. These will be great for that. And you can, of course, have these for Halloween. There's little treats for the kids. In a way, you can use Pencil's idea and put little treats in here as opposed to a gift card holder. And I'll show you how that's possible in a minute. These will be great for Valentine treats, and of course, at the end of the school year for teacher appreciation time. So the reason why we're releasing this right now in July, so you can enjoy this for the entire school year, right? Not just for the end and then have it all summer long when it's on break. All right, so there's the gift card holder in the sleeve. Super cute, easy to use. Here is a shaped card. I want to show you how I did that. What I did was just die cut this one here and remove this part here. Just took it onto my paper trimmer and just trim that part right off. Okay, and that allows it part to be even and flush. Now I can have this eraser on this part too if I wanted to make a vertical card like so, if I wanted to do that. But I intended my card to be a landscape card. All right, so that is how it's supposed to look, like this. And it's super cute because you can just add your message in here and you can create just shaped pencil cards. All right. So that's another option. And so when I was telling you about Halloween treats or things like that, don't think about it being a gift card anymore, right? Take your, Kelly Lunsford has a great project on the blog today of using a full shaped type of candy bar. You can use fun size, which will work great in this. And what I would recommend doing is taking some sort of adhesive and putting it on this particular piece. So you can stick the actual fun size candy in it. And this is a Ghirardelli square. And this will be great for a teacher gift as well, just as a nice treat. But you can just slide this in here and it holds the little treat. Okay, so you can do it like that as well. Okay, if you wanted to do it a different kind of way, you can have that where that lip still stands on here, and then you can secure it like so. So there's a couple of different options on here. Kelly Lunsford also designed a pencil shaped box using this particular die, and what she did was she die cut this a few times, and what you would do is just keep that lip on there and then keep adhering the pencil shape around into it, because you have two more here, so that will create your four sides for the box, and then add your treats on the inside. So it's a really cute way to do that. Okay, so check out her blog on the details on how she created her pencil shaped box. But so many ways to use this, not just for a gift card holder. So you definitely get your money's worth with this particular go-to gift card holder pencil die. Definitely will be a go-to for the entire school year. Even great for your work companions for office types of gifts as well, because we use pencils and pens and stuff like that in the office. So I hope this video inspires you to want to create gift cards and pencil shapes projects for those great people in your life who have impacted your life with pencils. And it'll be available on July 15th, you guys. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.